So hi guys, so today I'm about to preparing because it's day off. So day off namin today and our plan is to go somewhere. We need to buy some papers kasi kailangan na namin mag-review. If you know me, mas sanay akong nagre-review kapag sinusulat ko sa pen paper or yellow paper. Yeah, so now samahan ko mag-prepare. Get ready with me! So ito nga pala yung ginagamit ko. This is not sponsored, but this is Focalor? Whatever. Focalor or Focaler. Diba? It's easy to blend. It's easy to put. Wala, ganyan lang ako magkilay. Anyways, nag-ano na pala ako. Anyway, nakapag-prep na ako ng skin. Nakapaglagay na ako ng foundation. Next is concealer. Actually, 3 steps lang to guys kapag nagme-makeup ako. Foundation, concealer, blush on. Ayun. Yun lang ang ginagamit ko guys. After put the concealer, gamit tayo ng powder to setting the concealer. This is my favorite lip balm. Look. Now, put tayo blush on. Diba? Napaka-basic lang naman ng makeup routine ko, guys. Girly lang. Yeah. Anyways, okay lang yan kung makapal siya. Magpa-powder pa naman tayo eh. Before we put the powder, hindi pwedeng wala tayong curl. Hindi tayo nakapag-mascara. Curl muna natin. Yeah. Export na tayo ng mascara. Buhay na. Buhay na ang kanyang mata. Then after that, last but not the least, powder. I'll be back. Hi guys, we ordered pork bone broth with milk ramen. So let's taste. Ako guys is spicy.